Hi guys, this is Naima and welcome to Foxy. Today I'm going to show you what I have in my travel bag. So I'm not, believe it or not, I'm not someone who on a daily basis or usually puts makeup on myself. I'm just here doing this and just if I have to go for like a wedding or a party once in a while. But when I travel and when you travel, it's always important and essential to have a few makeup products that you can use in case you need to be somewhere or go somewhere. And these 8 products that I put in my kit, I'm going to show you and you can do the same, and I'm going to tell you exactly why I chose these. So there is my Studio Fix Compact Powder, which is my favorite, and it's something that gives me minimal coverage as well, so it's perfect to use. I have blush, which is important, and you can use this in the day or the night. So any occasion, wherever you are, you're on the go, you're going for a party, you have to go for like a dinner date, it's perfect. And then there's highlighter, of course, to add your party element there to highlight your cheeks. Also, did you know that you can use highlighter as eyeshadow? So it's like if you're not carrying an eyeshadow palette at all, you can probably take some of this in your finger and rub it on your eyelids. Then I have eyeliner, which is so important because you never know when you need it. And the best part is that it's gel eyeliner. So you can even use it on your waterline instead of kajal. So you don't need to carry another extra kajal with you. And then there's lip balm, of course, because that is so important because you never know when the weather changes. Like even me, like the minute I'm out of the city, no matter where I am, my lips get chapped. So it's always the safest to have lip balm. And then there's mascara, like I mentioned, it's my favorite, without which I cannot even leave my house or probably even step down, because this is how every look has to end. And then I have 2 lipsticks that I carry with me. One is Meher and one is Russian Red. Both are from MAC. The reason I carry these 2 lipsticks is because if you see, this is Russian Red, which is red, and it's like a super dark red, which I can wear like in the night, or if I'm going to like a party, if I had to go for an event or work came up or anything. And there's Meher, which is like my daily makeup that I use every single day for like, even if I'm traveling, I'm on the road, wherever I am. That's the reason I have 2. So these are my 8 travel essentials in my makeup pouch, and I told you exactly why I've used these 8, because you can use different products for different things. Instead of carrying all those products, I put these 8 together because it's always good to travel light. So this is my version of my travel pouch. I hope this video was helpful. For more beauty related content, don't forget to subscribe to Foxy. You can also follow me on Instagram on Makeup and Hair by Maliha. I'll see you soon. Maliha loves.